Oh, bad move. Very bad move, mate.
Bradley Branning. How nice of you to turn up.
How did you get on the guest list?
Charm. You should try it.
I'm really sorry.
Don't value your job. Have more important things to do than to follow simple instructions and turn up on time. Don't value the whole development. Perhaps that's...
No, I'm really sorry, I am. I can make the hours up, you know. I can come in at the weekend if you like.
I don't think so.
No, please.
Tomorrow, lunchtime.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, no worries. Thank you. Yeah, I could probably go to the warehouse. I mean, there's tons of paperwork that he's doing. So...
Tomorrow, lunchtime, you will take me out.
But I won, didn't I?
And we've got responsibilities.
Look, no, man, this is the first time I've had a game since Jim left.
We are meant to be taking care of the girls, Patrick, keeping an eye on them. That is all. And then Chelsea just burst
Yeah, but
past me.
maybe she felt a bit spied on and hassled and caught out, Yolandi. Look, no, man, she is not a child. And all this holding hand and dinners and peering into her life, maybe she felt a little bit like she can't breathe.
Watch yourself. You want to say sorry yet?
Get off me, man! Get off me!